use to see what it says.
The paper.
You can't see that either.
Okay. So just try your best to read. It says here, the table shows a proportional relationship. So let me ask you a question. Since it says that it shows a proportional relationship, what do you know about that so far?
They all gotta have the same
They all gotta have the same what?
value.
Same value or the same concept of proportionality or the same rate. Okay? So therefore, since we already know that between the number of pounds of grapes purchased and the cost of the grapes is going to be the same, what's my formula again, Jeremiah? To find the concept of proportionality?
Y over X.
Y over X, right? Y over X. So now, number of pounds, then would that be my X column or my Y column?
What's X?
It's my X. Total cost of dollars.
Y.
That's my Y. So when you do the first one here, you're going to have 2.76 divided by 4. So now can you all work that out for me? Come on, Raymond.
It says divided by like
Come on, Eric, do this one on the board for me. 2.76 divided by 4.
How do we do the regular way?
Yeah. And you had your hand on the board.
So it would be
0.69%. All right, good job, thank you. So we know that for each pound, it's gonna cost 0.69%, correct? So that means, what would it cost out of 7 pounds when it costs $4.83? How much is that gonna be per pound?
69 cents.
0.69 cents, because it already told you the table shows a proportional relationship, which means all of these are going to be the same. Okay? They must be the same in order for it to be a proportional relationship. So then it says, a row of values is missing in the table. Which number of pounds of grapes and the total cost of grapes could be used as the missing values in the table? Select each correct response. Now, let me say something about this. On your test, whenever you have one that says select each correct response, 9 times out of 10, that means at least 2 of them are going to be correct. All right? At least 2. So you need to go through each one of them, A, B, C, D, and E, and figure out which one has what. What must it have in order for it to be? Say what? Okay, but what is our concept of proportionality?
69.
69 cents. So you're going to work out all of these to see which one has a constant of 0.69% in order for it to be inserted into the table chart. So let me know when you have one you think is correct.
I could have did it easy. First one correct.
The first one, A,
Yes.
that is correct. So A is correct for the first one.
And D. And B.
All right, let's get that other one's time. So raise your hand if you have another choice. Jamiria? D. Does anybody disagree with her?
No.
Aaliyah said yes?
No, Aaliyah said no.
Alright. Correct. D is the other one. All the other ones does not.
Miss Cody wanted me to go to the office.
Have a seat. How'd you want to let another teacher tell you to skip my class to go to the office and make something?
That was he said tell you. I'm telling you what he said.
Moving on to the next one. You guys have this one?
Yeah.
Let's go here first. Number 12.
Oh yeah, you got that.
Alright. On Monday, the temperature at 10 a.m. at Sam's house, at 10 a.m., the temperature was negative 6 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature at 2 p.m. at Sam's house was 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright? So we got negative 6 and we got positive 2. Select from the drop-down menu to correctly complete the statement. From 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., the temperature, let me ask you a question. If we went from negative 6 to positive 2, did we go up or did we increase or decrease, Kevin? We're from negative 6 to positive 2.
Increase.
We increase. So when you choose, when you're going to choose, increase. Right? Now, how we determine we increase by how many? You already did one. Tell me out, Jabril. We increased by how many? Who said that?
King.
What?
That was you?
8? That's it.
8 is correct. 8 is correct. Now, one way I told some people to do it, if you didn't know, you can just write the numbers
I
down
was just
and count them.
I didn't do it too much.
All right? So here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What some people in my previous class try to do is add them up. If you got a negative 6 and a positive 2, what are you going to do with those numbers?
You gotta subtract them.
You're going to subtract. Why are we subtracting them?